This customer brought in their Astra for battery drain issues. They complained that even after replacing the old battery with a new one, it still won't hold a charge.
No center punch, just use the pointy bits on the end of your calipers to line up your hole and make a nice spot. Now you could drill the hole and your drill won't walk.
Customer states gas leaks out whenever he's filling up. So, he just bought the car. We look at it, there's JB Weld. So there's probably a little hole in here, right? Ugh.
This customer complains that every time they hit a pothole, the steering wheel starts violently shaking.
I was having some trouble getting these pressure plate bolts off, but then I realized there's a special way to use this to lock everything to get those bolts off. Yep, you just slip it in this little hole right here, and look at that, just come off like butter.
This Audi e-tron caught fire while on a lift at a dealership. The Carmel Fire Department showed up to deal with the fire, which was caused by the lithium-ion battery. Fortunately, the dealership had sprinklers, which helped control the fire, and no other cars were damaged. The crew managed to lower the vehicle onto wheel dollies and move it outside using a forklift. Hopefully, that fire guy was forklift certified, or OSHA's gonna love that one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Someone please explain why.
Recommended motor mounts to a customer. They said, oh, it should be fine, and I'll drive it to my own mechanic. I told them it was a safety issue. I don't think he believes me. But, I wouldn't drive it.
This 2023 Subaru Forester caught fire one day after the oil change was performed by the dealership. What do you guys think could have caused this?
Life's too short to drive boring cars. That's a Kia Soul!
The only reason I'm doing a video is because I hope the previous mechanic who'd come out to repair his brakes and actually charge him for it as well gets found out and he never touches a car again. This is disgusting. He's put a bit of brake flexi over the brake pipe and called that repair and sent him on his way. This person has kids. Like, Jesus, make sure you're using the professionals, guys. Like, that is just absolutely dangerous.
Check this one out then. Another funny little video or a funny little story. Lad was saying, yeah, I want an inquiry, I want a quote on a custom back box, blah, blah, blah. He says, I wanted a res delete done on it, but I was quoted 240 quid from somewhere else, so I thought I'd do it myself and it cost me 20 quid. And he reckons, yeah, well, yeah, it probably won't pass an MOT, blah, blah, blah. So I thought, first things first, I'll come underneath and I'll have a little look at what he's done. So I'm down on my hands and knees outside looking, I'm thinking, where? I can't see no res delete what he's done there. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I present to you the Flexi Delete. So I was laughing to this kid outside and he shows me a picture. I went, mate, you've cut exhaust flexi out, that's not a resonator. He went, oh, I was told it were a resonator, I didn't think it made much difference. So yes, he's done it himself for 20 quid.
Check this out, 24 Duramax. Starts and runs fine. You press the windshield washer button and the truck stalls and the wipers come on. You unplug the washer pump, we'll see what happens here. Oh, unplug the washer pump and the truck turns off. Think I might have found a problem. This wire is all melted inside of the underhood fuse block. You can see where it melted a bunch of wires together. Yeah, I think I might have found the culprit. What caused that?
Is there anything better? Oof. See what this one does. Oh. 3 for 3. It's coming 3 for 3. Yeah.
Prime example of my mate can do it cheaper. I'm not going to show the car, but this car came in for an MOT and failed on bushes at the front, arms, and rear axle bushes. So we quoted on the job. Of course, we were too expensive according to the owner of the vehicle. He took it away because his mate can do it. So little things that should be secured onto the arm here, but we've just cable tied it on, which isn't the end of the world. So we've split the rubber on the anti-roll bar link on that side, but they've put a new one on this side. So why wouldn't you put another one on? Well, if you come to the front, then if any mechanics out there can see what's wrong here, but these bushes are upside down and back to front. So we've got the right on the left and the left on the right, and it gets worse. So one snap bolt into the subframe, but whoever's done it knows they've snapped the bolt because there's a snap drill bit in the bolt. So they've fitted the bushes wrong, they're upside down, they're hardly fitted, they've snapped the bolts into the subframe, attempted to get them out and gone, that'll do, sent it back for a retest, snap bolts in the subframe, bushes fitted incorrectly. The angle of that. Yeah, I mean look at the angle of that bolt, that's going to snap on its way out. And it gets worse, so it turns out that the arms are the wrong side as well. Because if you look at how the level adjuster sits, I've had to bend them to make them fit. So they basically need going that way. So they're the wrong arms on each side. And they've just been forced on basically.
Yep. One more.
Guys, give me strength. I am speechless. Just come and look at this with me. Just come and look at this with me. Somebody's actually gone to effort of putting angers on this. So that were somebody's permanent solution. They were happy with that. They were running that until Mappa told them what on earth's happening here. Look at this, look, dual purpose. So turn down today, I fancy. No, sorry. Go on then, I want upsweep today. Tell you what, put it straight, I fancy it straight to Jap style.
Here's how this Chevrolet dealership explains different drivetrains to customers. Rear-wheel drive, front-wheel drive, all-wheel drive.
(2017) Toyota Corolla. Says it makes a noise when turning, and we found a rock.
And that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to send us your photos and videos for a chance to be featured in our next one. Thanks for watching and see you guys next time.